I haven't cleaned this thing myself personally, never. I sent it back to Bowers because you can just send it to them and they'll clean them. But I've shot, I don't know, thousands of rounds of 22 through this, and it's really dirty, but this stuff works real good. It's expensive. And I found out I got a baffle strike on my front cap. But most of them I was able to just, and I think there's like 2 more baffles stuck in there, maybe 1. I can't get this other end off, so basically just gonna try to either shove this in there and wiggle it loose, because you can put it right inside of it and wiggle it, or just, I don't know, tap it out from the other side. So I was able to just use that 1/4 inch extension and just lightly put it through the threaded end and lightly tap it just with my hand and pushed out the other 4. You can see there's some decent carbon buildup, so gonna have to soak those ones a little bit more. So far I really have only scrubbed the threaded portions with that brush, but it's turning out pretty easy. Obviously there's one, that's the blast one, the one with a little hole. So that's really the only one I gotta make sure I know where it's at when I put it back together. And then allegedly I'm just supposed to line up all the channels, which doesn't look like it was actually done last time it was put together by the company that made it, so interesting.